So we just knocked down a bed on the road. So Charlie, yeah, that fucking guy is chasing after the. Charlie, you get down. You see him? Equa. Oh, so we just knocked down a bed and he just shouted to me that the bed is dead. Yeah, oh, that's so unfortunate. Let me try and go get it. Get a shot. Let's see the bed. Let's see the bed, man. Yes. So on this stupid crazy road trip that we are on today is Easter. Oh man, this is the bed. Wow.
Cooler.
Oh,
no physical injury.
This one is instant death.
Yeah, so sorry.
Sorry, guys.